Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Cursed Tome in Vesteria. This guide will walk you through each step, from gathering necessary items to confronting the final challenge. The Cursed Tome is a crucial component for the Elven Hero quest, so let's dive into how you can add this mysterious item to your collection. It involves a bit of preparation and some strategic teleportation. Your first step is to gather cursed runes. These are essential for reaching the tome's secret location. You can often find the mysterious stranger appearing at night in different spots across Vesteria. He sells these runes. Be sure to have enough silver or gold ready for your purchases. Alternatively, completing the Trainee Mage questline, found near the Tree of Life, can also grant you a helpful starting supply of 5 runes. Once you have your cursed runes, it's time for the journey. Using a rune will teleport you to a random curse location. You might need to use several runes until you arrive at Cursed Tome, which is the correct spot. This area is characterized by a desolate pirate ship. Be aware that there is no water here, so expect a long fall when you first arrive, but don't worry, fall damage is minimal. After successfully landing in Cursed Tome, your final task is to find and defeat the cursed chest. This chest is a unique enemy that, once vanquished, will drop the Cursed Tome. Remember to bring another teleportation rune with you, as it will be invaluable for a quick exit once you have secured your new tome. Congratulations on obtaining this rare and powerful item.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.